Starting with tankless water heaters, these units usually have a high upfront cost due to the complexity of their system, as well as the internal computing components required to function properly. In addition to that, the electricity required to power an electric tankless water heater is significantly more than what most homes are built with, which means with this option, you're most likely not only looking at upgrading your water heater, but also the electric service to your home. The installation process may require other modifications, but it is usually the electrical that is the most cost prohibitive and results in homeowners switching their attention either to a gas tankless water heater or an electric heat pump water heater. Now, electric heat pump water heaters also have higher upfront costs than conventional tank water heaters, but they make up for that with rebates, tax credits, and ongoing savings on your utility bills. These units often require electrical work, but unlike a tankless water heater, the electrical required for a heat pump is substantially less, resulting in lower installation costs and greater ongoing savings on your utility bills.